Hey, that's your girl Aaliyah.
I'm Josh.
And today we're going to be making a homemade pizza. And we got our little brother, our little baby brother. His name is Adrian. And we got our Christmas tree. Let you see. So we about to be making our pizza, a homemade pizza. So first what we go, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. So we got this, the pizza first. We have the cheese, and then the pepperoni, and the sauce. So first, we got to get our pieces out. Ooh, y'all, this is huge. So, get our pizza out. This is the pizza. So, now we're going to add the salsa, pizza salsa. So, we got our little brushes. Here you go. So, I'm going to put some on here. Just like that.
Then I'm gonna put some on here.
And then I'm going to spread it out.
And I'm gonna spread it out. Hey, y'all, this gonna be the goodest pepperoni pizza in the world.
Yeah, the goodest.
The list gonna be the nastiest.
No, I'm going with y'all.
You don't even know how to do it.
Y'all see this? I'm a pro at making pizzas.
Better add a little bit more sauce.
Y'all, he need a lot of sauce. This is to spread this out. He need a lot for that. Just spread it out. All you gotta do. You don't need no more. That's what you miss. Just spread it out. So,
Do it look good?
So,
Yeah, when we
so this is mine. Put it there on the curtain. So this is mine. It looks good. So that you done? Do you need help?
no. I got it.
So
Okay, that's it. Yo, we're gonna show y'all the finishing results
at the end.
at the end.
So y'all like my hair?
Y'all like
So now we're gonna put the cheese, Mexican cheese on here. Yeah, I'm gonna put a lot. Here you go.
I'm gonna put a lot.
Y'all know how they be doing that? They be doing that little.
It's like this.
Yeah. They can go to it. Yeah, I'm adding a lot of it.
I love cheese.
For real. It's gonna give it the cheese piece in this and stuff. So that's why I love
Why does cheese taste like that?
That's why I love it. So
Aaliyah, you gotta save some spots right here for the crust.
So add a little bit more. So
Okay, y'all, now I'm done. Why that cheese taste like that?
Okay, so this is mine.
And this is mine.
Now we're gonna add our pepperonis. Last one. Thing on it. Open it. See, my mom right now is starting the stove for us. The oven, I mean.
Yeah, the oven.
Yep. Y'all love bacon. I mean.
Okay, now open it. Oh, let me taste one.
Y'all so good.
Okay, now.
Yeah, I just eat all
The
of the
pepperoni's off over the pizza.
Put it all around the pizza.
The pizza don't look the best.
Guys, y'all saying that we haven't been posting. That's because, you know, long story. Long story. That's a long story, y'all. Y'all don't want to listen about it. So, the spread, y'all, I want a lot of this, I swear.
Oh my god. 60% less fat.
Yeah, this 60 less fat.
60% less fat.
Yeah. Y'all think this enough?
I'm putting some more.
I'm so
Alinda, why your pepperoni look better than mine?
Because you gotta, you know, I gotta hit him right. He don't know.
No, I got it. Somebody go. Somebody go.
Y'all getting all up in there. What you talking
Heck
about?
no.
What you
I got
talking about?
pieces all over. Oh,
So,
this turkey pepperoni. This from a turkey. I'm adding pepperonis all over. And I
okay,
don't care
so
what
I'm
y'all
almost
say.
done.
I don't care what y'all say, but pepperoni is good. Oh,
Okay,
no,
y'all, so-
pepperoni pizza is good. If y'all like cheese, bro, y'all.
Okay, y'all, so I'm done.
Pepperoni is the best.
So now I'm gonna put my pizza in the oven so it can bake. Now I gotta wait for him.
Okay, done.
Okay, y'all, so we get back with y'all when our pizza is done. So we see y'all later. Bye. Okay,
now,
y'all, so
now we go cut it.
Alright, y'all, so we're back. Got I'm on my tongue at the candy cane at the tree. And my brother's eating the cupcake. Is he gonna sit down?
I can't do it while I'm sitting down. It's gonna come out nasty. Okay.
Watch me cut this. Y'all, watch me cut this pizza like a pro. Like, y'all gonna have to see this pizza cut into 4 rolls. Because it's gonna be good. And we got our little plates.
4 rows.
We had these since Adrian's birthday. And we got some fridge. Bro, you can't cut.
At least I'm trying.
You need help. You
No.
didn't even add that little sauce on it. Y'all,
I just want to redo it,
I'm
but
gonna
I can't. I gotta move these peppers.
Okay, y'all, so now it's my turn, the pro's turn.
I'm gonna stop saying that. Bro, I didn't even cut this. Mama, I need to cut mine again. See? For what? Look at
Hey,
that.
also, sorry, my mama had to cut our stuff. So now we're gonna get all her, here you go, our plates.
Well, look at this
Okay.
coconut, and this is for my brother.
So, the wrench. slice.
You could just left it open for me. Okay.
It's your pizza. Okay, so
Okay. This.
okay. So y'all ready to go? So y'all get to go do it. Have fun. God is great, God is good. His birthday for our food by and we're fat. Second off our deliver. Amen. So now I'm about to try it. So I'm so scared, y'all.
Try.
Y'all he enjoying that cupcake. Look at him. Alright, y'all ready? 3. Just come on. 3, 2,
You try first.
1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
No, that's good. Bro, y'all, I'm not wrong. This is actually good.
No, I'm not going to.
Go like this.
I am not lying. Let's see.
Oh my God.
And go like this. And watch how I turn this into a burrito.
No.
Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.
Y'all, it's good, but like the bread is too thick. Like,
Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.
but other than that,
Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.
it's actually good.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, this busting. But the bread is too thick.
Yeah, the bread like hard.
Can you try mine? Can you try mine?
Nasty too, huh?
Go throw it away.
It's actually pretty good.
It's not fun.
Okay, so we're going to end the video right here.
Can I try yours and you try mine? Aaliyah, can I try
Hope
yours?
y'all like, share, and subscribe. But
Can I try yours and you try mine?
yes,
Can I try mine? Let me try yours.
get it.
This kind of lick.
No, y'all, that's nasty.
Let me try yours.
But you can't say okay. Leave that right there.
No, I can't do
But
that.
make sure you like, share, subscribe, and we're gonna see y'all
This
on the
nasty.
next video. So bye. See y'all later. Stay tuned. Love y'all. Bye bye.